Welcome to this guided meditation where we will quiet our minds, open our hearts, and listen for any advice the universe may have to offer us. We will aim to solve the riddle of any problems we've been facing in our lives and come into contact with our higher sense of self. And so please come to find a comfortable seated position where your sit bones are resting firmly on the seat below you. Allow your spine to extend straight upward and leave your head balanced atop with your chin lightly tucked. Whenever you're ready, close your eyes. On your next inhalation, take a very deep breath in, all the way up, and hold. And very slowly allow yourself to exhale. Take another big deep breath in. And hold. And very slowly release. One more deep breath now. And so breathe in, filling yourself all the way up, and hold. And let it go. Wonderful. Let us scan through our bodies and release any tension we might be holding on to. Start at the top of your head. Release and relax any holding, any tightness that you might find in the muscles of your face, in your jaw. Allow your tongue to rest slack at the bottom of your mouth. Feel this wave of relaxation drifting down into your neck and your shoulders. As you relax them, allow that wave to fall into your arms and into your hands. Relax it all while ensuring you keep your chest open, your heart space lifted. Feel into your chest and upper back. Breathe in to the space and allow all tension to dissipate. Feel the wave of energy sink into your abdomen, your belly, and your lower back. Release and relax any tension you may have been holding on to. Now sink into your hips and your thighs. Let everything go. Let it all relax. Diving further, feel into your knees, your ankles, and your feet. Release and relax all tension you find. And now focus on your body as a whole. Feel your outline as if you were your own skin, and let everything go. Allow your attention to settle back onto your breath, simply witnessing its light and steady rhythms. And feel down into your heart space. Allow your attention to settle there. As you breathe in and breathe out, allow a sense of warmth to grow in your heart. Visualize a golden light growing in your heart space. See on every inhalation this light, this warmth growing larger, growing warmer. And on each exhalation, feel any anxieties leaving you. Feel your heart space empowering. Feel yourself letting in love and allowing it to become your very state of being. Breathe in strength and resiliency. Breathe in light and love. And breathe out anything holding you back. Breathe out all limitation. As we breathe here, focused on our hearts, allow any thoughts of the past or future that rise up to flow past you. Don't push them away, but don't engage with them. Allow them to exist and let them pass. Stay here in your heart space and know that your mind is a tool you use. It is not you. You reside here in your heart. And so knowing this, disengage from all mental activity. Allow yourself to release any attachment you have to the past or the future. Allow yourself to come into presence. Allow yourself to be here now. And so from this vantage point, staying with our heart space and the love we feel, I want you to look at your life. I want you to look at any challenges you may have been facing. And I want you to look for the lessons which lie within those challenges. Ask your heart what it is the universe has been trying to teach you. Ask yourself what there is to learn from your present circumstances. And so as we rest here, breathing into our hearts, focusing on the love we feel, allow these answers to come to you. Allow the universe to speak to you. Allow yourself to receive any guidance, any help that may be available to you. And listen to what the universe has to tell you. If distracting thoughts have arisen, pull yourself back and witness the thoughts themselves. Become the observer and ask yourself, what do these thoughts have to teach me? What lesson is here in this very moment? And so, we now prepare to return to our bodies, equipped with the insight from the universe, which will help us approach our challenges from a place of wisdom and acceptance. Realize you can do this anytime. You can slow down. You can check in with your heart. And you can see what the universe is trying to tell you. And so, allow yourself to sense the space around your physical body. Wiggle your toes. Wiggle your fingers. Take a deep breath in. And out. Whenever you're ready, open your eyes. Namaste.